Hi and welcome to Heart-Shaped Cake. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I create my two-toned cupcake toppers for cupcakes, cakes, or anything else. So yeah, let's get started. Hi and welcome to Heart-Shaped Cake. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I create my two-toned cupcake toppers for cupcakes, cakes, or anything else. So yeah, let's get started. So I have my ghost embosser, stamp, whatever you call it. It's lightly dusted with cornstarch. Just use a little bit of your pink fondant. Dust your fingers. And just put it in the area where you want to have this color, and then use a scraper, whatever tool you have, and just scrape it off. So far you can use a toothpick to remove fondant that's somewhere you don't want to have it. Use a little bit of water to get those areas sticky so it sticks to your white fondant. Get the white fondant, roll it out a little bit thicker than you would usually do. Make sure it's even. 3 to 4 millimeters probably, I'm not sure exactly. I always do it like until I feel it's right. It's hard to describe, but yeah. Dust your countertop with corn flour or cornstarch. Get your embosser stamp and just press it firm into the white fondant. Make sure that you press down every side, and then it should release right away. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful, nice two-toned cupcake or cake topper. I'm going to use the matching cutter that usually comes with the shape. Sometimes you have to order it separately, sometimes you get a set. So you have a matching cutter. Press it down and then just lift it off with a knife or with like a scraper or whatever. And there you have the beautiful two-toned cupcake or cake topper. And once you have this mastered, like once you know how it works, you can do like any kind of two-toned fondant topper you like. I have a little bit of black here, black fondant. I bought it already like that, so I didn't use food coloring. So it's the same process. We use a little bit of cornstarch to dust our stamp or embosser, and remove the little bits of pink fondant that I have in here. It's just a tiny bit, it doesn't matter in the end. You just have to make sure that you clean your hands before you start netting the white fondant. So now just, pressing it into the shape. You could also try to do the outlinings in black. I don't, because it's very tricky and most of the time it didn't work for me. Shapes. And as you can see, it's better to clean your hands in between before you use the white fondant. have the perfect black and white ghost. There you go. So you can play around with any kind of fondant color, what you prefer. I do a couple more of the black ones, and yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to try to paint my fondant with a food marker. There we go. You can also paint the outlining if you like. You can also use some powder to mark a little bit of blush on the side, but that's how it works. The best thing is to wait until it's completely dry. So these, are all the toppers I made. You can probably see them. So I made a couple more because I will need them for my Halloween cupcakes. And now you know how to create two-tone cupcake toppers. It takes some practice. Don't be frustrated. It happened to me as well, as you could see in one of the videos. You need to find the right angle to scrape it off. You need to find the right texture for your fondant. And yeah, just keep on going. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.